Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing this Instagram natural makeup look. If you guys are familiar with those Instagram profile with teenage girls with very natural makeup on them, sometimes it looks like they don't have makeup on, but they look flawless because obviously they have makeup. And I want to achieve that for today's look, and it's going to be hard for me because whenever I apply makeup on, it's not look good in person because I have really bumpy skin. Whenever I put makeup on, it starts to cake out. That's why for today's video, we're going to feature this Luxe Organic Skin Mattifying Mist. I have this for a while. I already used this in my previous video, and I already filmed this video before, but something happened in the clip, so I have to delete it and refilm it again. So that's why we're here again. And ignore the very odd lighting and the background. This is going to be my new background from now on. And yeah, we're upgrading. I have a disclaimer, guys. Going to be hard for me to upload new videos, my next videos, because school was starting like on Monday. I'm filming this on Saturday, and it's been like 3 days. I'm supposed to start school last week, Monday, but apparently something happened. The Taal volcano suddenly erupted and school kinda cancelled, and I'm supposed to go on a bike earlier, but apparently we are also affected by the Taal volcano, and there is an ash fall going on outside, and my brother's bike is kinda covered in ashes. So yeah, I pray for those people who are living in Batangas and near Batangas to stay safe because of the incident happening. So yeah, but anyway, if you guys new here, I'm Quirky. You can call me Quirky. Before we go into the video, you guys know, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, where I update most of my posts every day, every week, I don't know. But yeah, I'm not really active on Twitter, so Instagram is more important, so you guys can follow me there. And that's it. And let's get on with the video.
With the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
So this is the Luxe Organic Mattifying Mist. Yeah, so this is it. This is what the packaging looks like, and it said that it is anti-pollution and anti-sebum. And yeah, it comes with tea extract. It's stated right here, and perfect for all skin types. And the reason why I chose matte mist, because make my skin look matte, not just under but also my makeup. So I'm going to test this after I'm done with my makeup. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that, but some mists are applicable for after using makeup, because actually guys, setting spray and a mattifying mist are completely different thing. The purpose of the setting spray is to make your makeup stay long for like 24 hours, 48 hours, whatever it promises. But mist, it's supposed to give your makeup a good texture, and not just in photo but also in personal, because sometimes makeup looks good in camera depending on the lighting, or there is a filter, but in person you cannot tell if it looks the same. So don't trust those Instagram makeup you see, because they don't actually look good. Let's be honest here, they don't actually look good, because I tried them before and my makeup doesn't always look good. So I'm going to test this out. So it promises keep control of your skin with Luxe Organic Skin Mattifying Mist. Infused with tea tree extract, it helps the skin look mattify and shine free while helping to reduce the appearance of excess oil and protection against harmful pollutants. Can be used before or after makeup. And I'm not going to test it like 12 hours. I supposed to test this when I'm filming my past video, the one I didn't upload, but something happened and the background is just crazy. There are a lot of noises inside our house, so I just deleted that clip. So I'm going to test this out. Before we start, I just want to share my skincare routine to you. What I do is wash my face with Pond's anti-acne. I don't know, but I'm just going to show it on the screen. And also, I just clean it with Eskinol, a cleansing wipes. But I'm just going to wipe my face with it. So if I ever have any bacteria on my face left or any excess of makeup that the facial wash didn't remove, this will be the job. So I'm going to moisturize my face now with my usual moisturizer. This is the Vitamin E face and body cream. Oh, now we're going to officially use this Luxe Organic Mattifying Mist. And the instruction says that one length arm away from your face. So it definitely have that hydrating, moisturizing feeling to it. And I'm going to leave it for like 20 minutes and I will be right back. No, not 20 minutes but 20 seconds. Okay, so it's 20 seconds later and now I'm going to straight with my brows. I'm going to just draw it using my brow gel from Beauty Glazed. Okay. I'm sorry if my brows look weird today. I tried to fix them, but this is all I can do. Just ignore them for throughout the video. So now we're going to straight with primer. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer. I'm going with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 310.
It's not for me to say.
I'm going with 230 just in the center of my face, the high points of my face rather.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
I'm going with this highlighter, liquid highlight.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
It's not for me to
Now I'm going with Sacelady Press Powder in number 4.
It's not for me to say. You love.
I'm going to bronze my face using the Wet n Wild using the Wet n Wild contouring palette. going to contour my face using the ashy contour shade in my Beauty Glazed palette. Then I'm going with this peach shade that I didn't know would suit my skin tone.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
I'm going to mix it with this pink shade right here.
You know how we do.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say.
And then I'm going with this kind of burnt orange right here. I'm going to contour my nose using the ashy shade again in the palette.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
It's not for me to say.
With this AOA white concealer first before I proceed putting my eyeshadow on. Now I'm going with this peach shade right here. I'm going to put it right here, down here. Then I'm going with this. I'm going with this brown shade right here, the light brown. I'm going to put it just below that peach shade I put on my eyes.
It's not for me to say.
Darker brown. I'm going to put it.
It's not for me to say.
And then I'm going with this black shade. I'm just going to put it on my lash line. Now I'm going to do a sad wing. I'm also going to do a fake bottom lashes. Just use the same product that I put as on my eyebrows, and I'm going to use it to do my fake freckles.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
It doesn't look crazy on camera, but in person it looks. But I think it looks cute. New mascara from Sacelady. I'm just going to coat my lashes with this. So I'm going to put something in the corner of my eye. And I'm going to use this yellow shade and this blue shade and mix it together. I'm going to put it here. And then some of this highlight. We're almost done. I just need something on my lips. I'm going to use a nude lipstick. I'm only using this OtwoO lipstick. Also going to take the liquid lipstick and I'm going to put it here in the inner corner. Now time for lip gloss, and I'm going to use the Sacelady lip gloss. So for final touch, I'm going to use this highlight from OtwoO. Finally, the Luxe Organic Matte Spray Mist. Alright. Okay, so I leave it on for like 20 minutes and now my look is finally complete, and yeah, I do like it. It's really cute and it's very simple. I love the lips the most. Okay, if you guys like this video, please give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.